How to remove window putty with your Cobra. Since I'm removing the putty from the mullion, I'm placing our aluminum protection mat on the window pane opposite from where I'm working to protect the glass from the heat. Place your Cobra directly edge to edge with the putty. Never point the heat directly onto the glass. Wait for it to start to smoke a little bit, then wait a bit more. You can use your putty scraper to feel if the putty is soft enough to remove. When it's soft enough, use your putty chisel, which you have set to fit the depth of your putty, to cut the putty from the window sash. Take your putty scraper and lift the putty from the window pane, and then use the hook on the other side to remove the last of the putty from the window sash. And as always, keep a clean surface. It saves a lot of windows.